Let me introduce myself. My name is Septian Arif Hidayatullah. I'm a student from Mercu Buana University. Right now I took broadcasting TV for the study program and faculty communication. I'm on progress 5 semester. On this video, I want to tell about the recommendation product. On my hand, I grab the Eagle Bluetooth speaker. This brand and this product is good enough. This type is Active Plus because much feature on this product. The first feature I found it is Bluetooth speaker, micro SD, hands-free call, and aux in. For the port aux in, micro SD and micro USB on this port. You can see this. Okay, and for this product have water resistant IP55 is granted for dust proof and drop resistant and water resistant. And the second, the selling point on this product is noise. This product have noise reduction because we got the noise reduction on this product is good enough if we want to hearing clarity and good sound, good minimum noise. And the third, this product have extra bass, and because on this product including chip for the extra bass. And the fourth is technical specification. This product have Bluetooth version 4.2, and for the battery is 1200 milliampere per hours. For the waterproof level is IP55, and working time is 6 until 7 hours. I'm very recommend this product because I was using every day by ourselves. If you want, got it, you can find on the marketplace. It's very cheap. You can get a 300 rupiahs. I'm very recommend this product. Buy it, hear it, you can feel the experience. Thank you for your attention. See you on the next video.